We've been in the performance business for a long time, and so we've garnered clients around the world and in a lot of different industries. So we have insurance funds that are using our performance engines. We have nuclear decommissioning trusts that use our performance. We have pension plans, we have wealth managers, we have banks. Really pretty much anybody who's in the financial services industry is using our performance engine. And that can be either for performance or for attribution or composites, or benchmarking, a lot of different versions for a lot of different verticals. Well, we're one of the unique firms that actually built our system from the ground up. So we didn't take a lot of different systems like a composite system and a performance system and an attribution system and try to glue them together. We actually built our system from the ground up as an integrated platform. So when you set up accounts and when you set up information, it all works seamlessly in the same database. So that's been a really big deal for us. So the key tenet we always wanted to have was make it very simple to use, ensure referential integrity when it comes to data management, and to ensure that we can have really streamlined operations. So being able to build that from the ground up really made the operations very streamlined and inherently has data integrity. Really when we built our performance system, we wanted to be as flexible as possible. So basically any periodicity, so we'll calculate daily or monthly or semi-annually or annually, it doesn't matter what periodicity. Almost any calculation in terms of performance measurements. So if you take a look at time-weighted rates of returns, internal rates of returns, we will calculate all that stuff. And really our specialty is attribution. And when you take a look at attribution, we started that probably 10 years ago. We started with equity, stock level attribution. We did a model of fixed income attribution. But the real big change for us has been the delivery of something called user-defined attribution. What we found in the marketplace, especially in the fixed income marketplace, people cannot agree on one attribution model. Everybody wants to have their own thing. So with user-defined attribution, a client can say, I like this model, this is the math behind this model. They can actually take their model and compile it into our software and use it throughout their business. So that's a really unique capability. I don't think anybody else has that. A lot of our customers, again, are tending towards on the attribution side, especially the larger customers. And there have been some very unique cases where we've had to do, for example, for pension funds. They wanted to do something called dollars earned attribution. So basically an attribution of the money that they've earned on behalf of the pension plans. We do N1A, that's open-end mutual fund calculations as well. And we've also done a lot of work with wealth managers who actually want to assess the effectiveness of the strategies that they're running. So they may have a synthetic portfolio that represents a strategy for an investment vehicle that they're providing to their clients. These aren't the client accounts. These are the strategies behind the client, the investment on the client accounts. And we'll actually validate, are they doing great decisions in terms of how they're what currency they're investing in, or what timing they made their trades on, or what sectors they're going into. That's been a great deal for us as well.